I hope everyone enjoyed our introduction to genetics last week. This week we're going to continue that study, but we're going to look specifically at what we call sex-linked inheritance. And this is going to be when we're talking about genes that are actually located on the sex chromosomes. So for humans, that would be chromosome X and Y. And when we are talking about those types of traits, it is going to depend somewhat on whether the offspring is male or female. So we'll see that our inheritance patterns are going to vary just a little bit from what we looked at with the typical monohybrid type crosses. Now, after we study that, we're also going to branch into looking at enzymes. We'll talk about enzymes, their activity, what they actually do. They are absolutely crucial for running so many reactions inside of our cells and bodies. And there's really so many different enzymes that we could choose to study for this. We're going to look at lactose intolerance. We'll talk a little bit about enzymes that are going to be involved in breaking down lactose. And you will have a lab activity that goes along with that. So throughout the week, definitely make sure that you are completing your reading assignments. You have a number of question sets to complete, and then you also have that lab activity on lactose intolerance. With that one, you're going to be submitting a PowerPoint like you have been doing. Just want to remind everybody how important it is that with those lab documents, you make sure that everything is complete. So this means make sure that you have any necessary pictures in there, make sure that all the labels are included, and that you also thoroughly answer any questions that are there. And if you do that, that will help to ensure that you get some high scores on those lab assignments. If you have any questions at all as we go through the content this week, definitely make sure that you reach out and you let me know, and I'd be glad to help you with that.